Joe Bogdanovich from Downtown Records donating $1 million to nurses. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. The managing director of Downtown Records and the man behind the staging of Reggae Sunfest, the greatest reggae show on earth, Joe Bogdanovich, is actually donating $20,000 to 50 nurses across Jamaica. In order to be eligible, you have to DM Downtown Records your ID and your place of work. This was what Mr. Joe Bogdanovich had to say, the reason behind this move.
This is Joe Bogdanovich representing Downtown Records, recognizing the plight regarding the current spike in COVID-19 infections. The Downtown team is prepared to deliver to 50 nurses $20,000 each in cash as an appreciation to their commitment service to our health sector, especially in this lengthy, no-movement lockdown. On behalf of Downtown Records, we appreciate your service and patriotism.
This is not the first time that Mr. Joe Bogdanovich had made such a donation such as this. Recently, he donated $5 million to Food for the Poor in order to assist in the recovery efforts of the earthquake-torn Haiti in order to help them recover from the magnitude 7.6 magnitude earthquake that struck that country, which left over 1,000 people dead. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.